Mama said you giggle a little bit when you get you right there under the arm. Is that what happens when you get you right here a little bit? Huh? You get a little giggle right here when somebody gets you in the armpit? Oh my goodness. Yeah? Right here, is that what she said? Oh my goodness, ticklish right there. I love you. What the hell was that? Get him right there too. Oh my goodness, oh! Yeah? So what else has been going on this morning? You didn't really take a big old doo-doo. You didn't really take a big old doo-doo. Doing? You gonna roll over for everybody? What is it, buddy? You wanna sit? Sit. You wanna see Jackson? Come over here and see Jackson. Come up here and see Jackson. See him to the side. I know, because he's Murphy. You see Jackson to the side? Huh? There he is. I know, buddy. Mm-hmm. Trapped like a rat, yo. Trapped like a rat. Trapped like a rat, yo. Dad. Want to get you in that armpit again? Oh, Dad, don't do it. Oh, goodness, don't do it. Oh, don't do it. Blow everybody a kiss.